how to organize tasks on Asana. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically organize tasks in Asana. So when you guys are on asana.com, simply log in or sign up depending upon if you have an account or you want to get started with Asana. So I will just simply log in now. And then once I have logged into Asana, after that from over here, I can simply click on the left side on my tasks and I will be able to see all of my different tasks. So now from over here, you guys can basically organize your task in Asana in many different ways. So for example, if you are someone who wants to get stuff done for your YouTube channel, there are a few stages for that. The first one is to of course get a topic. The second one is to have that video made. Third one is to have a thumbnail done, and then fourth one is to have the video published. So you guys can simply click on board on Asana and you guys can type in the names of the boards to be something like topics, and then over here you guys can do the voiceovers. Over here you can also type in thumbnail, and then over here you can type in published, and then also you guys can add in sections over here to be done later. You can also add in a section over here problem. So like your team could just drag and drop cards over here depending upon what the problem or what the stage of the process is. Over here you guys could just add in cards. Your team can just move it on to the voiceover section when the voiceover is done, and then after that your team can move it to the thumbnail section once the thumbnail is ready. And once the thumbnail is attached, this card can be moved over to the publish section, and that is how you guys can organize your task on Trello. Now of course it's gonna vary from person to person, from project to project, but this is basically roughly how you guys can organize your projects. You can also add in different details about your project over here. You can also ask questions over here. You can tag people over here and ask them questions. So like all in all, it's basically gonna put everything in one place, and you guys are gonna be able to manage all of your projects by using Asana. And of course you have to do your own research. You have to experiment in a few different styles, and then of course you guys can get started with Asana and have the best project management that you guys need. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.